So in the other video, I showed you what it looked like, and now this is what it looks like after I'm done organization. It actually looks a lot better and a lot neater. So I am hanging up our reusable bags right here on the door. Then up here, so since these shelves are like wider, so they have, most of them will have like 2 rows. Like the stuff in the back are stuff we don't use, and then the front we will. So obviously up there, so behind up here, behind all of these, we have like our party stuff, our paper plates, silverware, stuff like that. And then down here, we just have some of the stuff that we do use. Not a lot of, but we do use it. And then in this one, of course, I have my handy dandy popcorn maker. And then we have all these cups. So, and then of course we have a few more space right here. And then we have our sheets and our extra blankets. We have a lot more blankets that will go in there. And then we just have miscellaneous stuff down there. But I think it looks better than it did before.